Today we are practicing 30 PMP exam questions. 22 questions are from people domain, 5 questions are from process domain, and 3 questions are from business environment domain. Guys, take no more than 1 minute and 10 seconds to attempt each question. After you have attempted the question, you will see the option which is correct, and then you will see why it is correct. You will also see why every incorrect option is incorrect with proper justification. So get going and get certified. The Agile team is consistently failing to deliver the agreed upon features within the sprint time frame. What action should the Scrum Master take to address this recurring issue? A new Agile team member is receiving more help and guidance from an external coach than from senior members within the company. The team members wonder if they should only rely on internal staff for knowledge. What impact might welcoming external help or mentors have on team growth and success? A junior developer is hesitant to contribute during sprint reviews, fearing their input lack value compared to senior team members. What can the Scrum Master do to empower the developer? The Scrum Master presents two paths for product launch: a standard, less personal approach, or a more innovative approach that aligns strongly with the team's core values. What might happen if the team chooses a path that truly resonates with their passions and strengths? A developer in the team made minor mistake in past sprints. A colleague now avoids pairing with them, claiming they only want perfect partners. How can recognizing imperfection and showing tolerance benefit the team's overall effectiveness? A junior developer's emotional well-being is heavily tied to praise or critique from a specific senior developer, affecting morale. What steps could the Scrum Master take to help this developer maintain confidence and independence? A Scrum Master team member often unintentionally sounds aggressive, leading to frequent misunderstandings and tension during daily stand-ups. How might adjusting communication styles reduce conflict and increase his team collaboration? A Scrum Master is always available to team members day and night. Some team members start taking this availability for granted, expecting immediate responses of hours. What if establishing boundaries ensure respect while still offering support to the team? The project has become routine and lacks creativity, leading to team boredom and reduced innovation. How could injecting creative, engaging moments into each sprint re energize the team? A team member who left the organization due to performance issues has requested to rejoin the team during a critical project. The project manager is considering their return despite unresolved past occurrences. What should the Scrum Master do to ensure team harmony and project success? The team is exhausted after consecutive sprints without a break, impacting productivity and morale. What should the Scrum Master suggest? During a sprint planning meeting, the team spends excessive time trying to predict every possible risk, delaying the sprint kickoff. How should the Scrum Master guide the team? The team is brainstorming ideas for new product but struggles to align on consistent theme. How can the Scrum Master facilitate the discussion? The product owner wishes to improve team efficiency but struggles to prioritize tasks effectively. What can the Scrum Master do to assist? During a retrospective, the team identifies conflicting expectations about work life balance. How should the Scrum Master address this issue? During a Scrum project, a major organizational restructure disrupts team roles and responsibilities. What if adapting the Scrum structure to align with organizational change improves delivery outcome? Two Scrum teams are merged following a company acquisition, causing confusion over processes. How could Scrum Master ensure team collaboration post-merger? A competing team attempts to impose their processes on Scrum project, causing conflict. How Scrum Master could resolve conflict to improve project outcomes. Stakeholders and Scrum team disagree on the project scope, delaying progress. What should Scrum Master do to align stakeholders and the team on project scope? The Scrum Master is tasked with evaluating whether a new agile tool should be adapted. What should the Scrum Master approach towards evaluation be? A Scrum team is onboarding a third-party vendor to assist with development. What should be the Scrum Master's prime focus during assessment? The product owner needs to prioritize backlog items under tight budget constraints. What should the Scrum Master be prime focused on during prioritization? A team member consistently avoids completing their assigned tasks, causing delays in the sprint. What if each team member is held accountable for their deliverables? During a retrospective, one team member angrily dismisses suggestions from others, stalling progress. How might fostering respectful communication during retrospectives enhance team learning? A junior team member hesitates to suggest a bold new feature for fear of criticism. How could creating a safe space for sharing ideas improve team innovation? A senior developer refuses to accept feedback on their work due to during the sprint review. What should the Scrum Master do? One team member resents another for receiving recognition during sprint review. What should Scrum Master do? A team member doubts their ability to handle a complex task, causing delays in delivery. What should Scrum Master do? Team members skip meals and take no breaks to meet deadlines, resulting in declining health and quality. What would happen if the team took short breaks for meals or exercise? How it might impact energy and productivity? Your Scrum team feels like they are always rushing between meetings and tasks, leaving little time to focus on delivering backlog items. How would having dedicated focus hours without interruption impact your ability to deliver quality work during sprint? If you need further advice or help, reach out to me on my WhatsApp number.